Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review PandaDoc. In this video I'm going to focus on pricing plans that I'm going to review. Then I will go on a walkthrough of the whole tool, like how you can create, how you can add document, how you can sign document. You will see the whole process if you like it or if you don't like it. Then I'm going to also give you some advantages and disadvantages, top features that I like, and alternatives to PandaDoc. So when you're going to enter PandaDoc and you're going to click here on the pricing plans, the first thing that I really like is that you're going to have free assign account. This is a big thumbs up that I like, only because you're going to have also the unlimited legally binding e-signatures. Many times in, like, let's say I'm going to show you one of the competitors here. Not here, but I think it's DocuSign. Like, look at this. Send documents for e-signature 5 a month. And you see it's personal. But right here in DocuSign, you have it unlimited just for the free account. So that's really good. Then you're going to find the essentials, 19 USD, business, 49, and enterprise. There comes the first disadvantage that I personally see, that API is only in enterprise, not in a business or essential. So if you need API, you just have to think about it. Now, another disadvantage there is about PandaDoc, and I read it in a lot of reviews, is that the customer support is sometimes not that responsive and fast for your requests. Now, even the essential is really great here, but of course you can have like CRM and Zapier integrations and custom branding pro workflows, so even the essential can be good enough for you. And you see it right here. So forms, then it really depends what you need. So pricing plans, a huge thumbs up for free assign. The API in enterprise, it's a bummer. Other than that, essential 19 USD per month per user is kind of alright, I think, in the competitive scene. Now, when we enter the PandaDoc dashboard, that's the first thing that we can have here. This is really great because this is like the basic analytics, what is happening with your account. So I like this. Now you always guys can, you can get the free trial with PandaDoc. You will have a link down below in the description. PandaDoc is a really great software that you can use for signing documents. Yes, it's an API, yes, the customer service, but other than that, it's one of the top notch, I believe. Now you have a link, you can register, you can create by yourself. And then let me down below in the comments, what do you think about PandaDoc, if you like it or if you don't like it. And the documents, you're going to find the templates. Then you're gonna find forms, and many even the form I really like, because many times in other e-sign softwares you don't even find the form. So I can, next to the search, I can click create a form, and I can select files here, and I can simply add here. Then I can find a content library here, catalog, contacts that you can automatically have, and reporting. But you need to upgrade for that. So now when I'm going to click on documents, I'm going to click on top right, click create. Here I'm going to select the file, and let's say I have like pre-prepared PDF file here that I'm going to show you how we can work with. So the first thing that you're going to add is an email address. Then I'm going to add a different recipient, and let's say this is going to be Marcus client name. Then I'm going to press this is email, like this, and then I'm going to press continue. Now when I have here, what do I got here? So what I like about PandaDoc, that it got a lot of blocks, a lot of things that you can add. So maybe from the beginning it's not going to be that easy to learn and master, but here you can simply click plus. You can have the manage recipients. You can set signing order. Content library you can easily add. Then variables, design as a headings, text tables, pricing table, and even applications here that you can add a Salesforce, attachment, payment. Now when I'm going to click here on the plus content, I can simply add a blocks here. So let's say you can add a table. Look at this. And you can add column below, and here I can simply create a wonderful table. Then I can simply add fillable fields for you. This is what we're going to use the most. So let's say I can add a text field. I can then add initials. I can add signature. And the drag and drop system is really easy. And what I like is how smooth it is. Many times in different e-sign softwares, it's not going to be that smooth. You would see if you would try it out, select date, and I can have a checkbox, let's say. So let's say this is for the Marcus Tonelius. Now I would add the client, and I'm going to like repeat the same thing. So I can have the initials. You see it also is going to be in the same line, signature. Then I can have, let's say, checkbox, and also the date here. See? So, and let's say it's also the text field, right? Now, when you have everything and when you fill it out and when you accomplish what you wanted, you can simply go to top, click send, and you can share through the link or send via email. Okay, and now you're gonna write the message here. I sign the document, and then send the document. And then you have also on the bottom option to have reminders. So you can simply add reminders. You can repeat it every week if you want to, and then send document. Now it's sending, and then I'm going to continue. Now when I would go here, I'm going to my email address. I think I also signed with not email, but here it is. Look at this. Open the document. Okay. And here I can simply click fill out and sign. Now if they're gonna get the email, they will get it straight away to their email address. Here, look at this. This is for me, and you're always gonna see the other person for signing. I can enter a value, so hi there. What I like is also the thing is that it's like showing you where you have to fill in. I can click next, then initials, or I can draw. Okay, I can add signature. Again, you can have it as Marcus Tonelius, or you can draw and select the date and optional. Now when you fill everything here, you would go to the right and click finish. And this is pretty much it how you can use it. Now, there are some alternatives to PandaDoc. PandaDoc, you're gonna have the Adobe sign, you're gonna have the Hello sign and Doku sign, and also we have option to use the sign now. All of these applications are really great to use, and if you're gonna use them, you're not going to make a mistake. Let me tell you that for sure. So that's pretty much it. DocuSign, PandaDoc is one of the best. I can say PandaDoc is one of the best applications for e-sign that you can use. That's what I believe in, that's what I think. So you will have a link down below in the description that you can test it out by yourself. And I hope you're going to have a great day. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts on PandaDoc. See ya and goodbye.